Hello and welcome to Geolantis.360. In this video, we will show how to export geodata from Geolantis.360 web portal and display such data on a thirdware GIS or CAD software like QGIS, for example, for further geoprocessing or geospatial analysis and validation when needed. Geolantis offers exporting the surveying or mapping data into several standard formats, such as the Esri shapefile, the Google KML, KMZ, or even AutoCAD, DWG, and DXF. In today's example, we will show how the export of the shapefile project or layers, and we will demonstrate how to import it in QGIS. And it depends on your needs. The data can be exported as a whole project if needed, or selected individual or a group of feature classes, or even a single features can be exported too. Starting with the project, we will need to switch to the projects page on the left side on the left side panel. And on the projects page, we'll see a list of the active projects. I will choose one of them which I need to export, and this list shows me how many features does this project include. And in this case, we have 10 features inside. If I choose to select the project, I can simply go to the export option and choose which format I need to export, and export as a shapefile, for example. This will include all the feature classes inside the project. Additionally, I can double click or edit the project and switch to the geo objects. This will show me all the layers which include features in this project, and we can select one or more features and click on export to export it also as multiple feature classes or an individual feature class or all of them. So this is one option of exporting the geodata, and in case of any documents are attached to the project, they will be found here also and can be exported as a PDF. So this is the case of exporting data as a project, and the other option to export certain layers or geo-objects, we need to switch to the features page, and we have to select or activate the project we need to export. So we have here a project with few features, so 10 features, and switching to the OS map, OpenStreetMap. We have here some lines of a communication cable, some damage points, and some communication pits. So the same option of the export can be applied on the whole feature classes. So we have in this case 3 feature classes as it mentions here, or we can select one layer to export individually as any of the available standard formats, and we can choose also multiple features or a whole group. So for example, this group here includes only 2 layers. We can export it as a group and try to select more features on the map if we need to have certain features. I will activate them all here again. The third options, as we mentioned, is to export certain objects even within one feature class. And to do so, we need to switch the mode on the top of the map screen to area or single. In this case, I will choose area to export multiple points. And if I have a selection including multiple layers, I can still filter here by choosing the feature class which I need. And this will show me that I have 2 features of the communication bit to export. Then we can simply click on export and choose the desired format. What we will do now is to export all those three layers as a shapefile and then import them into a QGIS. So now that I have the shapefile exported, I can simply switch to QGIS, and this is my project. I will choose the three layers to add them to my context, and then we can see here that the layers are falling on place. We can do what we can do is to adjust the symbology a little bit to display the features correctly or more visible, make them more visible. For example, you can choose this as a communication path. So that's the points which we had in Geolantis. And the same way the communication cables. So we can see the data are exported correctly, exactly at the same location where we had them in Geolantis. So this was a quick overview about the data export. Thanks for watching, and please write us a short email to support@geolantis.com if you have any further questions. Thanks.